and don't ask why. It's not a question.
Flash flood emergency for Cincinnati and nearby areas. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for Kenton County, northern Campbell County, central Boone County, eastern Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio until 10:30 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., radar indicated that extremely heavy rain had fallen across southern Hamilton, northern Kenton, and northern Campbell counties. Doppler radar estimates indicate that 3 to 5 inches of rain have fallen since 6 p.m. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 2 inches possible. Flash flooding is occurring and will continue through 10 p.m. Flash flood emergency for Cincinnati and nearby areas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cincinnati, Covington, Florence, Independence, Norwood, Forest Park, Erlanger, Fort Thomas, Newport, Sharonville, Blue Ash, Springdale, Reading, Montgomery, North College Hill, Madeira, Edgewood, Alexandria, Ellesmere, and Wyoming. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Predictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.